Good morning, students. Myself, Poorna Chandra, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. So today we shall learn engineering graphics in that module 3, projection of solids. So as you know, the solids majorly consist of prism, pyramid, cone, cube, hexahedron, and tetrahedron. So these are the major solids. So in that square prism and square pyramid, you can just check out this picture. So square prism consists of a top and bottom, which is of similar, both will be a square, and we have the rectangular faces, 1 2 3 4 rectangular faces. So this is known as square prism, where top and bottom will be similar, and it will be a square for square prism, and pentagon for pentagon prism, and hexagon for hexagon prism. Similarly for in square pyramid, so bottom will be a square, and if you take midpoint from this, and if you draw the center axis, and if you join all corners from the apex, so you get a square pyramid. Similarly we have pentagon pyramid and hexagon pyramid also, right? So next we shall go. So here different types of solids are available. So under prisms we have square prism, pentagon prism, hexagon prism. And similarly in pyramids we have a square pyramid, pentagon pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, and as I said, cube, cone, tetrahedron, and hexahedron. So these are different types of solids, and we can watch the cube, in which all sides are equal, and cone, so bottom is circular, right? Next we shall proceed to next slide. So here you need to understand this. So prisms and pyramid resting position, so that too in first position in HP, that I'm explaining here. So always in solids, the first position. So how we need to draw the resting position, how to decide, so that I will explain you. So in solids always the right side will be the resting side, that is the right side, resting side should come, right? In planes left side will be the resting side, but in solids right side will be the resting side. So first of all, if you consider the square, in square resting side, if it is resting on edges, the edge should come right side, right, in first position in HP I am telling. Similarly, if it is square resting on corner, if you tell, then I need to draw corner right side. It may be prism or pyramid, right? So prism resting on corner, then corner should come square prism. The square we need to draw right side corner. Similarly, if it is pentagon, if it help pentagon prism resting on one of its edges or sides, then right side the edge or side should come. Similarly, if pentagon prism resting on corner, right side corner should come. This is the first position you need to draw, right, in problems. Similarly for hexagon, so hexagon prism resting on one of its edges or sides in first position, then draw like this. So right side edge should come. If you tell hexagon prism resting on one of its corners, so then right side the corner should come. Understood? So as I said, in solids always right side will be the resting side. So in square and pyramid you can easily identify edges or corners, it will be clearly done. But in pentagon you should be very careful, because we have corner and edge both in pentagon. So right side what is available, that will be the resting one. So for resting on side, right side the side should come. For resting on corner, right side corner should come in pentagon. Understood? Next, so here you can check out how the views, how to draw the top view and front view in a for a square prism, right? So consider square prism here. So this is how the prism will be, right? How to name the prism? So for naming here, actually as I said, So prism has 6 phases. Number 1, the top face. Number 2, bottom face. Number 3rd, this one, next here, that, and behind. So totally we have 6 phases, right? So how to name this square prism? So we can name square prism like this. The top square we can name it as A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D. And bottom square we can name it as, so below A I'm taking as A1. Below B we have B1. Again below C we have C1. And below D we have D1, right? So now we have A, B, C, D, top face, and bottom A1, B1, C1, D1. 2 squares you can watch, right? But if you watch from top, we are able to watch only A, B, C, D, right? But this A1, B1, C1, D1 is not visible when you are watching from top. So the top view will look like this. So if you want to draw top view in first position while doing the problems, so I need to draw like this, a square. Here it is resting on sides or edges. I have taken a square prism resting on edges. Then I have drawn this sketch, or resting on side. As I said, the right side, the side should come. If it is resting on corner, right side corner should come. That's all, right? This should be inclined for 45 degrees if it is for resting on corner. So here resting on side I have taken. So this is how the square will be formed. Next, how to name this? So if you watch from top, see here, A visible, A1 not visible. So I have written A bracket A1. Next, B visible for us from the top, but below we have B1, so B bracket B1. Next, C bracket C1 and D bracket D1. So I have the top view look like a square itself. I can watch this square from the top. I have written, and naming we should do like this: AA1, BB1, CC1, DD1. Right, now top view is done. Next, how to draw the front view? So project this up. So front view, watch from this side. So front view, we are able to watch this rectangle is visible for us, right? This rectangle is visible. The height will be given in the problem. It's given the axis height will be 65 mm. Assume 65 mm. So now A1 and A length will be 65 mm. That is given in the problem. So now how to draw the front view? When you watch from front, you are able to watch this A1, B, B1. So I have written this. If I project this, I get the rectangle like this. Height is given 65 mm. I can take that. Then how to name this? How to name this? So if you watch here, top you can watch this A. Behind A there is D. Since it is front view, I should name it as, we name it with dashes. So A dash bracket D dash. If you watch from front, A dash bracket D dash. Behind A there is D. So A dash bracket D dash at the top. Next, B dash bracket C dash. B dash bracket C dash. Right? That is a second this thing. Next, below what we have? We have behind A1, I have D1. So A1 dash bracket D1 dash. This is at the bottom. A1 dash bracket D1 dash. Similarly, B1 dash bracket C1 dash. B1 dash and C1 dash. Understood? So like this we can name this. So naming will be done like this. So here a square prism resting on HP on one of its edges or sides, right? One of its sides. So then if I draw the top view will look like this and front view will look like this. So this is how we can perform naming in case of solids, right? Understood? So this is regarding the basics of the solids, how to name the views, how to draw the top view and front view. Okay, thank you.